Hi, this is USDCAD and today it's Sunday, 30th of March 2014 and we are looking at the H4 time frame of the pair before the markets open. Let's start from the bigger picture of the pair and then zoom in and try to find a nice trade setup using one of our strategies. We'll go to the monthly time frame and we see that although the big picture biases are bullish because the pair is getting ready to make a strong bullish Kumo breakout, Chiku span, the green line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo system, is already above past price action and it will need a bit of time to go above the Kumo as well, validating the Kumo breakout. And although Bollinger Bands are expanding after a contraction phase and a consolidation for years, because this is the monthly time frame, stochastics are telling us that the candlestick formation on the upper Bollinger Band shows that price is about to make a corrective move for now before it continues climbing higher. And this is very important for us because remember that we always seek for the highest possible place to sell from to get in short, and the upper Bollinger Band in a high time frame like the monthly is an ideal point, and we always seek for the lowest possible place to buy from to enter long, and the lower Bollinger Band is an ideal starting point for long trades, especially on such a high time frame as the monthly. So here we have a pair which has bullish biases but is getting ready for a correction, and this correction may be a move of a few hundred pips. So we can't neglect this potential. We have the price making a bearish reversal candlestick formation on the upper Bollinger Band on the monthly time frame, which is a high time frame. And we only want to go to the smaller time frames to see if it is worth taking a short trade or waiting for the correction to finish and then ride the uptrend as soon as it's resumed. Okay. On the weekly time frame, we see that the stochastics confirm that we see from the candlesticks. We see that we had a double top lower close candlestick formation close to the upper Bollinger Band after two up fractals showing that there is resistance at the level of the upper Bollinger Band for now. What's the possible scenario? Because we see that the leading Kumo is bullish, it's sloping upwards, the bigger picture is bullish, but the worst case scenario is that the price will seek statistical validation at the level down at the level of the median Bollinger Band. It would like to go down, make a swing low below the median Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame, which is currently at the price level of 1.087. Okay, so it may go down before it continues climbing higher. So there is a space here of price action which may give us a nice profit by taking a short trade. But is the picture that we are seeing here enough for us to enter? Well, let's use our four-time frame strategy to see if the conditions are met, if our entry conditions are met for a short trade. Okay, so using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals, and stochastics, I base my entry on Ichimoku, and I want to start from a time frame where I have a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross. And as I see here on the weekly time frame, I have a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross. Then I want to see a fresh and strong bearish Kumo breakout on the daily time frame validated by Chikou span, which is not the case yet, which means I have to wait. I see something different here. I see the stochastics turning upwards, getting ready to cross above the 20 level line, which means that probably we'll see a reversal, but my second condition is not met for a short entry. My third condition would be to see a clearly bullish picture, a bearish picture on H4 time frame, which is what I see. But since my previous condition of the bearish Kumo breakout is not met, I stay out. Okay? Now, I go to smaller time frames to see if a long entry condition is met. So on the daily time frame, I don't see a price Tenkan-sen cross, so I go to the H4, and on the H4, although I had a fresh bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, I can't see a bullish Kumo breakout on H1 time frame yet validated by Chikou span. So, which are the two ideal trade scenarios here? Scenario number one, a short trade. For a short trade, we have to see a strong bearish Kumo breakout on the daily time frame, which means that we enter short when the price will be, at least, let me put a horizontal line, when the price will be at the 1.8092 level, 892, 1.0892 price level. That's an ideal. I will insert an arrow. That's an ideal short entry scenario. Let me change the color. So I'm waiting to see a strong bearish Kumo breakout on the daily time frame, and then everything bearish on H4, and then I'll wait for a correction on H1, and I will enter as soon as the bullish correction is over and I see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on H1. Okay, now if things go bullish, I go to H4 time frame, which will be my first highest time frame for the setup. I have seen here already a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, but I have to wait for a bullish Kumo breakout validated by Chikou span on H1, and this will happen at the level of 1.1145 price level. So I insert a horizontal line here, and I will place an arrow and I will make it blue to symbolize a long entry, buy entry. So this will be a long trade. So for now we stay out and wait. If we see a strong bullish Kumo breakout validated by Tsikospan on H1 at the level of 1.1145 price, this price level, we can enter long, we can buy. If we see that everything is bullish on M30 and after a correction, after a bearish correction on M15. We will wait for a bearish correction on M15, and when a bullish price ten-consent cross on M15 happens at the price level of 1.1145, we enter. Okay? We enter long, we buy. Otherwise, if the pair continues falling, then if we see a strong bearish Kumo breakout on a daily time frame validated by Tsikospan, then we'll go to H4, we'll make sure everything is bearish, and we will wait for a bullish correction on H1 to finish, like the move we see here. And when we see that the price is going down and we have a bearish price ten-consent cross on H1, we will enter short when price is at the level of 1.0892. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching and happy pips.